Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to cook delicious cinnamon rolls. First, let's gather our essential ingredients and tools. You'll need 1 packet of active dry yeast, 1 cup of warm milk, and 1/4 cup of granulated sugar to start the dough. Ensure your flour, about 4 cups, is ready, along with 2 large eggs and half a teaspoon of salt. For the luscious filling, have half a cup of softened butter, 1 cup of brown sugar, and 2 tablespoons of ground cinnamon prepared. Don't forget your baking pan, approximately 9 by 13 inches. Now, let's begin crafting our dough. Start by proofing your yeast. Dissolve 1 packet in 1 cup of warm milk with 1 teaspoon of granulated sugar, letting it sit for 5 minutes until foamy. Then, in a large bowl, combine this yeast mixture with 1/4 cup of melted butter, 2 large eggs, and the remaining half cup of granulated sugar. Gradually mix in 4 cups of all-purpose flour and half a teaspoon of salt, kneading for about 10 minutes until smooth. Cover the dough and let it rise in a warm spot for 1 hour. With your dough beautifully risen, it is time to create those signature spirals. Gently punch down the dough and roll it out onto a lightly floured surface, aiming for a rectangle about 18 inches long and 12 inches wide. Next, spread half a cup of softened, unsalted butter evenly across the dough. In a small bowl, combine 1 cup of packed light brown sugar with 2 tablespoons of ground cinnamon. Sprinkle this delicious filling generously over the buttered dough. Tightly roll the dough into a log from the longer side, then slice it into 12 uniform pieces, about 1 1/2 inches thick. Almost there, arrange your 12 cinnamon roll slices in a lightly greased 9 by 13 inch baking pan, leaving a little room for them to expand. Cover the pan and let them rise for another 30 minutes while your oven preheats to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes until they are golden brown and cooked through. While they are baking, whisk together 8 ounces of softened cream cheese, half a cup of softened butter, 2 cups of powdered sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for a heavenly frosting. Spread this generously over the warm rolls for a perfect finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.